Hey, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how KFC style chicken is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for
Here we see the chicken breasts being precisely weighed and trimmed by our skilled technicians before moving to the sorting line.
The precise balance of these signature spices is crucial. It ensures that every batch maintains that consistent.
Through precise mechanical motion, the seasoning adheres evenly to every piece, ensuring a perfect coat every time. The secret to perfect crispiness lies in the double breading process, ensuring every inch is evenly coated in this fine flour.
Every batch is cooked under controlled pressure for perfect texture and taste.
The perfect crisp, achieved through precise temperature and timing, ensures every bite is golden perfection.
Utilizing state-of-the-art filtered airflow, we rapidly cool the product while maintaining that perfect, crispy texture.
Advanced robotics handle the delicate process, maintaining perfect chilling temperatures throughout the line.
Precision is key in modern food production.
We are showing a slight variance on the paprika levels.
Check the flow.
Here at the loading bays, our team meticulously verifies the temperature of every crate, ensuring strict adherence to our protocols.
Our state-of-the-art facility combines human expertise with robotic precision, ensuring quality at every step.
Our automated systems ensure perfect placement and airtight sealing for maximum freshness.
At our state-of-the-art facility, precision and efficiency ensure your products are delivered fresh, maintaining the cold chain from our door to yours.
Innovating for a better tomorrow. Our commitment to quality shines brightly, even as the sun sets.
And that's how KFC style chicken is made, from start to finish.